Hi everybody, today I want to unbox with you the gorgeous Flamenco by Ellen Wille from the Stimulate collection in chocolate rooted. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is the also very gorgeous Rohan by Amour in the color Creamy Toffee. Both are available from Aderans Trendco. I will put the link down below. And if you use my code K20, you will get an amazing 20% off. But today is about Flamenco. It's a beautiful style. Long with a slight wave in it. So this is what it looks like straight out of the box, or straight in the box I should say. Very securely packaged just to protect the style as well as the lace front. So you've got the net, you've got tissue paper that the cap sits on, and then here you get an idea of the style. Longer with some waves here. Beautiful. It's just really pretty. So let's look at the cap construction. So we have an extended lace front and a middle part, but that middle part is quite wide. So it's actually wider than my two fingers. It doesn't quite go all the way to the crown, but it's still realistic enough for the part to look natural. So because it's quite wide, that means you can part it in the middle or slightly off center, which I prefer on me. So I'm always glad when the middle part is slightly wider. So I have that option. You have open wefts, sides and back, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. And you have some stretch in this cap. Can't feel any perma tees except the tees that's around the wefts, just to keep the wefts hidden a little bit more. And this color, I love this chocolate rooted color by Ellen Wille. It's just a really natural brunette. So let me show you the part when I have it on my hand. So at the moment on here, you can see my wig grip coming through, but sometimes the part doesn't quite sit there. So I just want to show you the part when it isn't obscured by my hair or wig grip. So you get an idea of what the part would look like if there was no hair. And I think this one looks really natural, not dense, and therefore very natural looking. Oh, you can see my ring through there. And the knots are visible, but they're not big. And it is a dark color, and it's a rooted dark color. So I think this is pretty good. So if you don't like the knots, you can use concealer, for example, to help conceal those knots. I never bother with it. I'm never really that bothered about parts, simply because I think I'm quite tall and I don't think people can really see the top of my head. So look at the color. So you have like auburn, so almost like money pieces around the front, so that will light up your face. Let's put it on. Let's shake it a little bit just to remove, not remove, but move the fibers away from the cap. So they just move a little bit more natural. And let's pop it on. First things first, where does it sit? My rule of thumb is 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose, and then this is where your hairline should be, and this is exactly where it is. Look at this hairline. Wow. So this is why they do these lighter pieces, not just to light up your face, but also to have less obvious knots. So really lovely lace front. Wow. Wow, what a stunning piece. Let me just slightly comb through it just a little bit with my hands. And this is what it looks like straight out of the box. This side slightly combed through with a comb. This one isn't. Not much of a difference, but I want to show you what it looks like either way. This is so pretty. Wow. Wow. Okay, let me now slightly brush through both sides. So this feels slightly tighter on me than the Amour cap, but not by much. There is a little bit of gapping here in the back. There's room to tighten it more and only a little bit of room to widen it. So I think if you are 22 inch, I think that would fit you. If you have a smaller circumference than mine, which is currently probably about the 21.7 because I have hair growth and a wig grip on. Normally I'm a 21.5, so I would say roughly in between these two measurements I'm at the moment. So, but Ellen Wille wigs are known for more petite average sizes. This is so pretty. This is hair that makes me feel pretty. Oh, it's just... It has this slight wave which gives it a little bit of glam, but not so much that you think I can't wear it on a daily basis. This is just perfect.
These are heat-friendly fibers.
So shine-wise, not much shine here at all. I mean, it is a darker color, but this looks very natural. Really fine hair as well. It feels very fine. Gorgeous. Great movement, very natural. It's one of those wigs you don't want to take off because it just feels so pretty. In terms of permatease, nothing big and pillowy. Just a little bit of tease around the open wefts just to obscure them a little bit, but I hope you can see this look sits really nice and flat to my head. So really natural look here.
So let's talk about the color. Chocolate Rooted is a dark brown and a medium brown with light auburn blends with shaded roots. Pretty color, natural color, and you do have some money pieces around the face.
So this is available from Aderans Trendco, and I put the link down below. Don't forget to use my code K20, which will give you an amazing 20% off side-wide. They ship worldwide because the Stimulate collection is not available outside of Europe. But if you're interested in this style or any other from the Stimulate collection, speak to Aderans Trendco. As I said, they do ship worldwide. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon.